Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Snapchat straight back. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump into the video. First thing you need to do is open Snapchat app, and on your profile icon on the upper left corner, click that, and on the upper right corner of the screen, click settings. And scroll down and click I need help. And press the I lost my snap streak. So here you just need to scroll down, and here you will see a form that you need to fill out. The first, so here you will put the username, then you will put your email address, your mobile number, then device. So make sure that you include the brand, model, and the model series. So mine is Xiaomi. Then your friend's username with whom you lost your Snapchat streak. Then when did you start having the issue? So you will just put the date. For example, it's yesterday. You will just put then how long was your snap streak before it expired? So it will be optional. Then so the next question is optional also, and you will just put the description. So after you put the description, just click submit. Once you click on send, you will receive a response from Team Snapchat and your Snapchat streak will be recovered. So that's it for this video. I hope that you've learned something, and if you have any comments or questions, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!